Good morning, students. I hope all are fine. Okay, in the last class, what you learned? Yes, tense is finished. What is tense? Tense is a sense of time. Which are the main tenses? Come on, tell me. Already you learned it. Now you tell me what are the main tenses? Three tenses are there: present, past, and future. These are main tenses. You learned all the things. Subtenses, what is the formula of the tense, and how to make negative and interrogative also learned. ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ತಾನೆ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ನ ಪ್ರಕಾರಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಆಫ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್? ದೆನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಯು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಟೇಕನ್. Even you know very well how to make negative and interrogative in each tense. Negative ಮತ್ತು interrogative ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನು ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ. Did you learn? Did you learn or not? I hope you understood all the things very well. So in this class I am going to start a new chapter. Yes, before going to start that, tell me how many parts of speech in English? Yes. What is the parts of speech? First tell me. What is parts of speech? Parts of speech. What is parts of speech? What is the meaning of parts of speech? Come on, tell me. Yes. What is parts of speech? We use, look at here, we use words to express our thoughts. Then these are different, sorry, these words are of different kinds. They are called what? Parts of speech. Now tell me, what is the meaning of parts of speech? We use words to express our thoughts. ನಮ್ಮ ವಿಚಾರಗಳನ್ನ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಪಡಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಶಬ್ದಗಳನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅವು ಏನಿರ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಆಲ್ ಆರ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್, ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ಕೂಡ ವಿಭಿನ್ನವಾಗಿರ್ತವೆ. ಅವು ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಪೀಚ್. ಸೊ let's listen. When you speak, when you read, when you write, we use different type of words. Those are called parts of speech. When you speak, ನಾವು ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ, ಬರಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ, ಓದಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಹಲವಾರು ವಿಧದ ಪದಗಳನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಆ ಪದಗಳಿಗೆ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಇನ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್? ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಪೀಚ್. What do you call those? Those are called parts of speech. Yes, tell me how many parts of speech are there? Yes, parts of speech, how many are there? 5 or 6 or 7 or 8? Yes, how many parts of speech in English? There are 8 parts of speech. How many parts of speech in English? 8 parts. Let's see. 8 parts of speech. Okay. How many parts of speech here? 8 parts of speech. How many parts of speech in English? 8 parts of speech. Okay. Let us see one by one. First one is noun. Second one, pronoun. Okay. Then third one, adjective. Fourth one, verb. Fifth one, adverb. Sixth one, preposition. Seventh one, conjunction. Then eighth one, interjection. See here, ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಎಷ್ಟದಾವು? These are 8. These are 8 parts of speech. What is first one? First one is noun. First one is what? Noun. Second one is pronoun. Third one is adjective. Fourth one is verb. Fifth one is adverb. Sixth one is preposition. Seventh one is conjunction. Then eighth one is interjection. These are parts of speech. These are called what? Parts of speech. Are you getting it? Are you understanding? How many parts of speech are there? 8 parts of speech are there. So first one noun, second one pronoun, third one is adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, then interjection. These are parts of speech. Okay, let us see one by one. What is first one in the parts of speech? Come on, tell me. In the parts of speech, what is first one? Yes, noun. First one is what? Noun. What is noun? What is noun? Let's see. Anyone? I hope you learned these things in the previous class. Huh? Yes. Noun means what? A noun is a name of. Noun is a word. Noun is a word which is the name of a person, place or things or thing. See here. Otherwise, naming word, name of anything or name of anything. Noun means what? Name of anything. Just look at the first definition. Nodre, here noun is a word. Yes, of course. Noun is a word, a single word. Noun is a word. It is the name of person, place, or thing. Come on, tell me what is noun? Noun is name of person, place, or thing. That is called noun. So, name of anything you take: person, place, things, birds, animals, vegetables, flowers, parts of body, days of week, months of the year, jobs, dress. Okay, you take anything. All are naming words. All are naming words. Is it understand? ಯಾವುದರ್ತವ್ರಿ ನೀವು ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ, ವಸ್ತು, ಸ್ಥಳ, ಹೂವು, ಹಣ್ಣು, ತರಕಾರಿ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ವೃತ್ತಿ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ನಿಮ್ಮ ದೇಹದ ಭಾಗಗಳು, ಅಥವಾ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ ನಾವು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಏನು ಕರಿತೀವಲ್ಲ ಅದು, ಮತ್ತು ಡೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ವೀಕ್, ಎಸ್, ಮಂತ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಇಯರ್, ಟೋಟಲಿ those are naming words. Those are naming words. Is it understand? Noun means naming word. Noun means what? Naming word. ಒಬ್ಬ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಯ, ವಸ್ತುವಿನ ಅಥವಾ ಸ್ಥಳದ ಒಂದು ಹೆಸರನ್ನು ಸೂಚಿಸಿದರೆ that is called noun. That is called what? Noun. Let us see which are the kinds of noun. Which are the kinds of noun? Which are the kinds of noun? Let's see one by one. Yes, first noun. Now an example write down. Ravi is a boy. Dog is my pet animal. Delhi is a beautiful city. It is chalk. Table is made up of food. Yes. Look here. Look this example. Note relay. First, Ravi is a boy. In the first sentence, what is the noun? Ravi is a noun because person name is there. Ravi, it is a name of boy or person. Is it understand? Artha aydala Ravi. So then dog. Dog, it is a name of what? What it is? It is animal or bird? It is a animal. Then Delhi. Delhi it is what? City. It is a place name. Okay, Delhi is a beautiful city. Then chalk. Chalk is name of thing. Chalk is name of thing. Then that's like table and wood. Table and wood, those are also noun. Those are also noun. Yes. Rose is beautiful. Rose is beautiful. Here rose is a noun. Rose is what? A noun. Okay. I am a teacher. Here work name is there. Profession name. Teacher. ಇದು ಒಂದು ವೃತ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಸೂಚಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. Teacher, dancer, surgeon, doctor, driver. Those are also jobs name. Yes. I get carrot. Carrot. It is name of what? Carrot. It is what? Vegetable or fruit? What it is? It is a vegetable. Okay. Carrot, it is a vegetable. Then let's see. I like mango. I like mango. Here what is the noun? Mango is there. Mango, it is what? Name of the fruit. Name of the fruit. Then Monday is the first day of week. See here, Monday is the first day of the week. Okay. See here, Monday. Monday, it is what? Noun. Yes. March is the third month. March is the third month. Here, March, it is a noun. Is it understand? Artha aguttalla? So, Monday, March, character odu, teacher, place, person, things, you take whatever it may be. All those are naming words. All those are naming words. Total ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತಾವಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೇಮಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾವ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? Noun means what? Name of the person, place, things, animals, birds, vegetables, fruits, then class, parts of body, then days of week, then months of the year. Okay, let's see. Let's see next kinds of noun. Kinds of noun. Noun ಪದದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಕಾರಗಳು. Kinds of noun. See here. Kinds of noun. ಎಷ್ಟದವ? How many kinds of noun? How many kinds of noun? Come on, tell me. 4 kinds of noun. 4 kinds of noun. Let's see here. 4 kinds of noun. First one is proper noun. First one is what? Proper noun. What is proper noun? Let us see what is proper noun. It is the name of particular particular person, place or thing. What is proper noun? It is a name of particular person, place or thing. Then let's see next. And now proper noun. A proper noun always a proper noun always begins with capital letter. Begins with what? Capital letter. See here. What is proper noun? It is the name of particular, specific, ನಿರ್ದಿಷ್ಟವಾಗಿರತಕ್ಕಂತ ವಸ್ತು, ಸ್ಥಳ ಮತ್ತು ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಸೂಚಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ನಾವೇನು ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ನೌನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಇನ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಅಂಕಿತ ನಾಮ. ಇನ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್? ಅಂಕಿತ ನಾಮ. ಅಂಕಿತ ನಾಮ ಇದು ಯಾವುದು? ಅಂಕಿತ ನಾಮ, ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ನೌನ್ ಇನ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. America, Ashok, Ashok. Then America, Ashok, steel. Okay, see here, America. America is the name of particular place. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರಗಳಿಗೂ ಎಲ್ಲ ದೇಶಗಳಿಗೂ ನಾವು ಅಮೇರಿಕನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅಮೇರಿಕನೇ ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ, ಎಲ್ಲ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಕೂ ನಾವು ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅಮೇರಿಕ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್, ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. ಅಮೇರಿಕಾ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ ನೇಮ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಆರ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ ನೇಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್. ಅಶೋಕ್. ಆಲ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅಶೋಕ್. ಆಲ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅಶೋಕ್. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಅಶೋಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಅಶೋಕ್ ನೇಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಪರ್ಸನ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ಸ್ಟೀಲ್. ಸ್ಟೀಲ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಕಬ್ಬಿಣ. ಓಕೆ, ಸ್ಟೀಲ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಕಬ್ಬಿಣ. ಇದೇನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ನೇಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. ಸ್ಟೀಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ನೇಮ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟ್? ಥಿಂಗ್. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್? ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ನೌನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್, place or things. It is called what? Proper noun. Then jamun, sweet name. Okay, jamun, sorry, jamuna, jamun or jamuna. Yes, that is also proper noun. Is it understand? Proper noun is particular person, place or things. That is called proper noun. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? So let's see common noun. Is it understand? Okay, common noun. Second one is what? Common noun. See here, a common noun. A common noun is the common noun is the name of every person thinks of, every person, place or things. See here common noun means what? Person, place or things. These are not particular. For example, yes, what is the example? Book. flower, animal, father, boy, girl, teacher, okay, pen, pencil. These are common nouns. These are called what? Common noun. Okay, man, bird, van. Yes, doctor. See here, lawyer. Just look at these words. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ನೌನ್. These are not particular. These are not particular. Book, flower, any flower, no more particular, no more jasmine, that is a proper noun. But here only flower. Then animal, yes, not no more tiger, lion or camel, here no. Then like doctor, any doctor, any doctor. Then father, boy, girl, bird, lawyer, teacher, pen, pencil, man, van. These are called what? Common nouns. These are called what? Common nouns. Are you getting? Yes. Proper means particular person, place or thing, that is a proper noun. Here common noun means these are not particular. These are not particular. Is it understand? Okay. Let's see here. Proper and common. Maruti, India. Ashok, gold, diamonds. Okay, then just look here. These are proper noun. Maruti, India, Ashok, gold, diamond. Okay, here tiger. Then common noun. Yes, boy, girl, father, mother, sister, driver, singer. So these are common nouns. These are what type of nouns? Common nouns. Is it understand? It is the difference between proper noun and common noun. Okay. So write on the homework. Write 5 proper noun example. Then again 5 common noun examples. Does it understand? What you have to do? You have to write 5 proper noun examples as well as 5 common nouns. It is your homework. Okay guys, see you in the next class with another noun. Okay, until take care of yours.